Hey, I'm Tristan and welcome. This video is yoga for anxiety. So, truth be told, I tend to run pretty anxious. I am a feisty Italian, but as an entrepreneur and a teacher and a physical therapist, my brain goes a mile a minute and I tend to run very anxious, very tightly wound. You know, I feel it in my stomach, I feel it in my throat, I feel it in my chest. So the best thing that helps me is A, meditation, but B, also movement and yoga. So I wanted to bring this practice to you for a lot of us out there that are running more anxious these days. So let's start with a little bit of spiritual vomiting, is what I like to call it. You're like, oh my God, what is that? Inhale. You're going to just bring your arms up nice and tall. Breathe in nice and big all the way down. I mean, way down, like past your goodies, all the way down to your toes. And when you throw it out, your hips are going to go back, arms are going to sweep, and you're just going to throw it out into the ground. You're going to like really make that sound. I'm for real. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Come on, do it with me. Exhale. Let it go. I promise you, you're going to feel so good after this. Inhale, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. 3 more. Really throw out what you don't need. Toxic thoughts, expectations, self-judgment. Let it go. Now inhale, reach the arms high, and then just slowly let them come down. Notice that little buzz, that bit of energy that's floating through you now. That was a quick little tune-up to your serotonin, to your endorphins. We're bringing them up. Beautiful. So let's slowly go through a sun salutation flow just to reset and rejuvenate the body. Come to the front of your mat. Pardon me. I want you to scoop your hands up and through. Big breath in. As you exhale, I want you to bring the hands to heart space, hands coming to the thighs, hips way back and wide. Good. Breathe in again, bend a little deeper. As you exhale, I want you to press into your thighs, start to straighten out your legs. If you can straighten them all the way, no worries. Maybe it's just right there. I tend to run tighter in the hamstrings, so I don't want to yank on them. I'm not quite warm yet, and I don't recommend you to either. Good. Breathe in again, bring your hands down to the ground. Exhale, I want you to step back and bring your knees down to the ground. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Sit back for child's pose. Relax. My sun salutations are a little bit different. Good. Come to tabletop. Breathe in. Good. You're going to tuck the toes under, lift the hips high. Exhale. Good. Bend your knees a lot. Inhale. Hips are high. As you exhale, I want you to wave to plank. So you're going to push off through your feet. Try to lift your hips up, then your belly, round your chest, lengthen out through the back of your neck. Your ears are reaching, your neck are reaching until you find yourself into an upward plank. Good. Pressing through all 5 fingers, nice and wide. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend your knees. Flip your toes under, slowly bend your elbows, laying your chest down, belly down, shoulders back and wide. Good, stay here, roll the shoulders back, breathe in. Exhale, lift the hips up, and slowly come back. No worries if you didn't get it, all good, we're gonna do it again. So now take a deep breath in, tabletop position, lift the hips up, exhale. Walk yourself all the way back towards your feet. Good. Bend your knees a lot. Breathe in. Rise on your exhale. Power into your feet. Power up through the center of your legs. Front of the belly lifting up. Breathe in, reach, and stretch. As your hands come together, exhale, step forward, and come to the center of your space. I know it's a lot. Not to stress you out or create more anxiety, but stick with me. I'm going to go through it again slow. Bend your knees, scoop your hands up, breathe in. Exhale, palms unite. Sit back, hands to your thighs. Good. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, stretch it out, half lift. Good. Bend your knees a lot. Take a deep breath in. Hands to the floor, step back, and settle back, child's pose. Exhale. Good. Tabletop, breathe in. Toes tuck under, hips high. Exhale, down dog. Knees can stay bent if you choose. Stretch through the heels. Good. Prep yourself to roll forward. Inhale, bend your knees a lot. Waving forward to plank. Exhale, hips, belly lifting up, neck lengthening out till shoulders meet over the wrists. Inhale. Exhale, drop the knees, flip the feet, lower the body. Cushion it down. Good. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale, child's pose. Come to tabletop, breathe in. Toes tuck under, we're going to down dog. Push through your hands, lift your hips, hips, and continue that motion, walking the hands back towards your feet. Do you feel the weight over the feet? Good. Bend your knees a lot. Inhale. We're rising on the exhale. Press down through your feet. Your abdominals are lifting you up. You're zipping up. Breathe in, arms, walking forward, seal it off. Palms unite, namaste. So let's keep that moving. Energy moving up and through. Mike is all over the place today. It's got a mind of its own. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to thighs. Bend the knees. Inhale. Exhale, half lift. Good. Inhale, hands plant. Knees come down. Exhale, child's pose. Keep your fingers spread wide. Inhale, tabletop. Toes tuck under, pressure into the hands and feet. Exhale, hips high, stretch out, down dog. Good. Bend your knees a lot, prepping to wave forward. Inhale. Exhale, through the feet, through the belly, through the chest, shoulders over wrists, lengthening through the neck. Exhale, drop the knees, belly, using your tricep muscle, shoulder blades back. Inhale, roll it back. Exhale, child's pose. Good. Tabletop. Inhale. Moving through the breath. Down dog. Exhale. Walk back. This is a forward fold. Bend your knees a lot. Power into your feet, thighs, core. Inhale. Arms rise to clear the dizziness. Step forward. Exhale. Beautiful. Once more. Last one. Inhale. Bend and reach. Exhale. Half fold. Bend the knees a lot. Inhale. Exhale, stretch out into that half lift. Inhale, bend the knees, hands down. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale to tabletop. Exhale to down dog. Prep to wave. Inhale. Wave it forward. Exhale. Knees come down. Inhale. Toes slip under. Exhale. Dissolve. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale. Press back to child. Inhale to tabletop. Exhale. Walk back. Down dog. Bend the knees a lot. Inhale. Press to rise. Exhale. Arms lift. Inhale. And walk it forward. Exhale. Good. I'm going to come to the center of the space. You can feel free to face me now. Let's shake it out. So we've warmed up the body. So we've kind of cleared out. Sun salutations are really, really good for clearing the slate and resetting the body completely. So a lot of times we're holding a lot of stress into our shoulders. I want to give you some simple maneuvers that you can do that are yoga-based, linked with the breath to help relieve some of that stress since we always clench up through here. So I want you to take your left arm, reach up high, breathe in. You're going to bring the elbow down as you exhale, and I want you to push away any BS that you've been hanging on to. Flip your fingers backwards. You'll feel a stretch of the nerve down your neck. This is my version of a nerve glide. It's healthy for the nerve, just don't overstretch it. Too much sensation is not good. We want to back off a little bit. Good. Inhale. Exhale, press it away. Inhale, channel your inner Beyonce. Oh. Exhale. Inhale. I'm sorry. Exhale. Good. Breathing in. You got to have a laugh once in a while. Exhale. Good. Breathe in. Exhale it out. Oh, yeah. Come back to center. Breathe in. Namaste and bay. Good. Let's take that to the right now. Inhale. Exhale. Press away the crap. Fingertips back. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Push away what you don't need. Good. Inhale your power. Exhale. Press away the crap. Inhale. Exhale. Press away the crap. Last one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Let's come back to center. Breathe in. And seal it off. Namaste and Beyonce. Shake it out side to side. Beautiful. Let's work into the neck just a little bit more. We're going to do another standing exercise. Let's just begin to take our chin over to the right. You're going to look like you're going to check underneath your armpit and give yourself a little pull down. Okay? I want you to reach around to the front pocket and you're going to grab the side of your waist. The second part of this is you're going to pull your shoulder down like your elbow is going to reach towards the floor. You're going to feel a really nice stretch here. I want you to bend your knees. Inhale. As you exhale, pull that elbow down and lightly apply pressure to the top of your crown. If you get anything sharp, shooting, tingling, numbness, I want you to back off, okay? Inhale. Oop, losing the mic. Sorry about that. Inhale, bend. Exhale. Inhale, come out of it slightly. Exhale, stretch. Good. Inhale. I like to keep the body moving. Exhale. You've got this. Breathe in. It's just a baby bend. Exhale. Good. Release this now. Sweep the arms around. Inhale. Namaste and Beyonce. Now let's take it to the other side. Chin goes over to the left. We're going to reach up with that left hand. So the back of the skull, like you're going to... and then right arm's going to go across. Pull the shoulder down, pull the elbow down, and a little light pressure to the head. Bend your knees. Inhale. Back off a little bit. Exhale. Lightly pull. Pull everything down. Stretch out that neck. Inhale. Back off. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Light pressure to the top of the head. Think of more of the shoulder moving as opposed to the head. Inhale. Exhale. Once more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's release that now. Sweep the arms high. Breathe in. Namaste and bay. Good. Turn over to your side. Weave your hands behind your back. Take a deep breath in. Feet nice and wide. Hips are going to go back. I want you to look at the floor first. Hands can rest onto your back and you can continue to look back behind you. If you want a little bit more, let's begin to lift the hands off the back if you can. No worries, no judgments. If you don't have this one, feel free to take an upward back bend, rolling the shoulders back, hips back, and just begin to relax, chin up. For the rest of you, if you want to challenge yourself into this, no worries, no judgments. We're both getting the same benefits. We're just accessing a different way. Nothing worse or better. Good. Stay here. Breathe. Let it go. There's nothing you need to worry about. I'm right here with you. I get you. I understand you. We're united. We're a tribe. Let that shit go. Good. Release your hands to your thighs. Breathe in. Look at the floor. You might be dizzy when you rise, so go up slow. Exhale through your feet, through your belly. Look forward. Inhale. If you need a wall, hang on. Woo! You might get that little rise, but that's some endorphins going through. Good. Let the circulation go. Take your hands high. Just keep them overhead. Wiggle the fingers. Get rid of any stress or strain. Roll out the wrists. Maybe pick the feet up. Shake the head, no. Shake the head, yes. Say yes to more good shit coming into your life. Get rid of the bad stuff. You're doing great. Stay with me. Root the feet down. Reach the hands high. Inhale, unite the palms. As you exhale, bring the hands down to heart space. Knowing that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. Know that I'm with you. I understand you. We are a tribe. And know that you can come back to this video anytime you're feeling anxious or stressed. Namaste and Beyonce. And if you love this video, feel free to please subscribe down below. Feel free to leave me a comment if you want more videos, topics you want me to cover, any areas of the body that you want me to address. On Wednesdays, I release videos, and every Friday, I release a Fix Yourself Friday, which is a blend of yoga and physical therapy for those naggy bits of your body. And also, if you want even more, feel free to check below this video for the links for some of my top-selling courses on Daily Om and my website that are helping thousands of people all over the world. Once again, thanks so much. Namaste and Beyonce.